Do you want to cut down those extra inches of your belly, but those intense workout and diets are not cup of your tea? Then you are at the right place. Cause I'm going to tell you how to achieve that tight flat tummy in an easiest way. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Talat and welcome to The OT. Tummy fat is easy to gain but very difficult to lose. Fat not only lose or tight figure or form, but it also leads to some severe health issues including high blood pressure, diabetes and even heart attack. So tighten up your will and follow routines shared in this video to achieve your desired body. Yes, it's all about liquid. Water cannot target belly fat in particular by drinking water, but you can use water to help you lose weight overall. Start your day with 2 glasses of warm water. You can add ginger, lemon or honey as per your choice. If you are feeling hungry, drink a glass of water and wait 10 minutes. You will often find water can stave off snacks craving. Have a cup of green tea before your workout. It increases your metabolism, hence helping fat reduction. You can try different juices. Fresh juices provide minerals, vitamins, fibers and antioxidants. Have adequate water to flush away those toxins. This will give you 12 benefits of glowing skin and a flat tummy. What exercise yoga can you do to get a flat belly? Whether you have excess weight around the tummy or even overweight at all. One of the main reasons you don't have tight tummy is because your abdominal muscles are weak. To trim down and tone up, you have got to work all the muscles in your midsection. You can try combination of yoga and cardio to give yourself complete dose. Start your day with yoga for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Start with Surya Namaskar or also known as Sun Salutation. It's a series of 12 yoga poses. This breathing technique involves passive inhalation and active exhalation. Inhale normally, breathing in as much as you can. Exhale forcefully. Try and pull your stomach muscle as closely as you can towards the backbone during exhalation. Bhujangasana. Lie on the floor, face down. Spread your hands on the floor next to your shoulders. Stretch your leg back, top of the feet touching the floor. Slowly inhale and lift up your upper body. Make sure your pubic and toes form a straight line and touch the floor. Hold the position for 25 to 30 seconds. Release and come back to the lying down position. On an exhalation, bow pose. Bend your knees and hold your feet with your hands. Inhale and lift up both your hands and feet, also raising your thighs and chest at the same time. Hold the posture for up to 30 seconds. Release with an exhalation. The plank. Lift your body up onto straightened arms. Balance on your toes. Face forward or down. Hold for as long as you can. Take a break and then repeat a few more times. Try to extend the time in this pose each day. Bhotasana. Lie down on the floor, facing the ceiling. Keep your hands by your side and relax your shoulders. Keep your legs straight. Now slowly raise your hands and legs together from the ground. Hold your belly in and above the ground at all times. Reach a 45-degree angle till your body is in V shape. Hold it for 60 seconds and practice deep breathing. Camel pose. Kneel on the floor with your knees hip width and your thighs straight and perpendicular to the floor. Rest your hands on the top of your buttocks. Finger pointing downwards and slightly arch your back inwards. Slowly lean back and touch and then hold your knee heels with your hands. Straighten the spine but don't strain your neck. Hold this pose for up to 1 minute. Be consistent with your yoga asana sessions and make sure to practice deep breathing during the sessions. Keep cardio for evening, 30 minutes or more if you don't have time issues.
You should start your cardio with stretching as warm up. And in your cardio workout, you can include leg raise, tandem walking, static jumping, dancing, or anything you want.
Eating too much salt can also result in elevated blood pressure, dehydration, weight gain, and more. Avoid taking salt as much as you can. Consume natural food like vegetables, fruits, chicken, whole grain bread, fish, and low fat dairy. Keep yourself away from processed food that are full of sugar or salt. Wear tight dresses to make yourself conscious about your body. Tuck your tummy in to promote good posture and tight tummy. Say bye-bye to stress. Stressing and anxiety can cause the overproduction of a certain hormone called which encourages cortisol. Weight gain about the belly area. So try to keep yourself cool. Improve your posture. You won't instantly lose weight or burn fat, but slouching certainly doesn't do wonder for your body. When you slouch, your stomach pouches straighten up will help you to look a little trimmer without actually breaking a sweat. Follow this routine and be ready to grab some attention and compliments. After all, looking hot is not that tough. If you found this video useful, do not forget to share with others. I hope you found this video useful. I wish you a very healthy life.